Assalamu alaikum.
Justin Gaethje, he hit like truck. Nobody hit harder than Justin Gaethje. Be careful with this.
Shut up! I'm gonna knock him out in the first round.
Bye-bye.
Oh!
Ooh, this is terrible.
I am his daddy.
El Pato.
Oh, he tagged him!
Can you see me now? I can't see. The show goes on!
Oh, you're a wrestler now. You're a wrestler.
Let's go, fight.
He's stupid. He's dumb. You can't fix dumb people.
Arman. El Pato. Then why? Just give me the opportunity to fight for the title.
That's never gonna happen, ever.
Daddy!